Well, today we're back. I'm actually gonna see if I can get this tune going. I have to send the tuner my file, so we'll see if I can do this correctly. So right now I'm just plugging this up, making it read. Hopefully it did it right. Saying it's updating. Got it plugged up. Yo, so we're at the gas station. We're filling up on E85 for the first time. We're not filling up, but we're just getting some in the canister thing to do the first startup. So I'm pretty excited. That's right, we got it. Alright, we made it home with the gas. I'm going to do this tune real quick, or upload it. I got to, just give me a second. Gotta plug it up. Sorry that. I'm gonna put you guys right. Plug it up. I can't see where the damn thing's at. Here it is. Oh, I thought it was right there. Boom. He said, open the tune up. Turn the car on. Then right vehicle. Right. It's got 2 minutes. It's gonna do 2 minutes, so yeah. I'm excited. I'll get back with y'all in a second. Alright. 1 second. Right complete. Please cycle the ignition. So there we go. Now I'm gonna put gas in it. Alright, I'm gonna put gas in it now. This thing's heavy, so don't make fun of my struggle, because this thing's 5 gallons, which is couldn't be heavy for you, but it is heavy for me. But I'm gonna get it. Alright, boom, it's filled. Alright, gas is in. Oh, I gotta get the keys. Kinda scared. It's the first crank. I'm gonna put the camera on the, put it on the Z.